I'm Rod Fowler. A confrontation on Highway 77 escalates, leading to several felony charges for one man. Channel 8's Courtney Scornia is where it all happened. And Courtney, what can you tell us tonight?
Rod, several people telling me they see angry drivers along Highway 77 all the time, but they never imagined that one of those angry drivers could threaten their life. Here you can see a time lapse of the drive to the spot of a frightening encounter on Wednesday morning. A man and his one-year-old daughter were driving near Highway 77 in Saltillo Road when a semi-truck driver pointed a gun at them.
This caused Mr. Walker to fear for his life.
Deputies responding and stopping the semi, which was hauling cattle near West O Street. Houchins says deputies found the gun behind the driver's seat and took the driver, 30-year-old Nathan Doris of Fremont, into custody. The semi-driver claims the man in the other vehicle cut him off. Houchins says this isn't the first time something like this has happened.
These seem to be occurring more and more.
One Lincolnite tells me he deals with road rage a lot and tries not to take things too seriously.
It's mind-blowing, you know, it's especially with a toddler in the car and, you know, single parent with a toddler. I don't think it's all right.
Houchin explains what drivers can do should they come across an intense road rage incident like this one.
Back off on those incidents. Don't continue to, I know people get upset and it escalates. Any more of these days, you don't know what an individual is going to be willing to do, especially if you have a child in the car with you. It's better to back off, call us, we'll come handle the situation.
Doris is facing several charges, including terroristic threats and using a weapon to commit a felony. Reporting in Lincoln, Courtney Scornia, Channel 8 News.